Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is all about how to make this seamless granny square. You can use this to make blankets, tote bags, and so many things. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. You're going to start by making a magic ring. To do that, with the tail of your yarn on your left, you're going to wrap the yarn around your fingers in the shape of an X. Then you're going to grab your hook, go under the right side and then over the left side of the X and drag the left side under the right side and twist your hook. Then you're going to go back under the left side, yarn over and pull the yarn through your loop. So that's your magic ring. To start with round 1, you're going to chain 1. So you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook and pull the yarn through your loop. Then you're going to be doing double crochets inside the magic ring. To double crochet, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the magic ring. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through. With 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2. And then you're going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. And that's your first double crochet. You're going to be doing a total of 12 double crochets inside the magic ring to finish round 1. Once you're done, you're going to pull on the tail of your magic ring to tighten it. In order to close round 1, you're going to skip the chains at the beginning of the round and then you're going to be slip stitching into that first double crochet. So you're going to insert your hook into the full stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn all the way through. And that's round 1. To start with the second round, you're going to be chaining 2 and then you're going to be doing double crochet increases all around. So starting with that first stitch, you're going to be doing 2 double crochets into that same stitch. So that's the first double crochet, and then again into that same stitch, you're going to be doing your second double crochet. And that's the double crochet increase. You're going to be repeating this pattern all around, and by the end of this round you should have a total of 24 stitches. Once you reach the end of round 2, you're going to skip the chain 2 and then slip stitch into that first double crochet to close the round. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull all the way through. For round 3, you're going to start by chaining 2 and then you're going to be doing a double crochet into that first stitch. Then into that second stitch, you're going to be doing a double crochet increase. So 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. And then you're going to be repeating this pattern all around of doing 1 double crochet followed by a double crochet increase, and by the end of round 3, you should have a total of 36 stitches. To close the round, slip stitch into that first double crochet. For round 4, you're going to start by chaining 2 and then into that first stitch you're going to be doing a double crochet, and then you're going to do another double crochet into that second stitch, and then into that third stitch you're going to do the double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochets into that same stitch. And then you're going to repeat this pattern all around of doing 2 double crochets followed by a double crochet increase all around, and by the end of round 4 you should have a total of 48 stitches. At the end of round 4 we're going to be doing the color change. There are many ways to do color changes. Here I'm demonstrating 2 ways, the basic one and the invisible stitch one. With the basic color change method, you can tell where the color change happened, whereas with the invisible stitch, the color change is seamless. So, starting with the basic method, the color change happens at the last double crochet. So you're gonna start off like a normal double crochet. However, before you yarn over and finish completely the double crochet, you're going to drop your first color. Then you're going to grab your new yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Once the new color is attached, you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. And then you're ready to start with the next round. To do the invisible stitch method, you're going to finish round 4 and then you're going to cut your yarn. Then you're going to pull the yarn all the way through. With your needle, you're going to insert your yarn into the second stitch. So you're gonna skip the chains, skip the first stitch, and then into that second stitch, you're going to insert your needle from the back to the front and pull your yarn through. And then into that last stitch, you're going to insert your needle from the center towards the back and pull the yarn through. And with that, you create an invisible stitch on top of the original stitch. After that, you're going to weave in the yarn to secure it. To attach the new color, you're going to insert your hook into any stitch, grab the new color and pull it through the stitch. And you're ready to start the next round. For round 5, you're going to start by chaining 1, and then into that same stitch, you're going to do a single crochet. So you're going to insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through. With 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through both of them. Then you're going to be doing 2 more single crochets. You can see here that I'm crocheting on top of the tail of the yarn so that I can weave it in as I crochet. After the 3 single crochets, you're going to be doing 2 half double crochets. To half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and then insert your hook into the stitch, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through. With the 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them. You're going to repeat that into the following stitch. So now you have 2 half double crochets, and then in the coming 2 stitches you're going to be doing 2 double crochets, and then to create your first corner and into the same stitch, you're going to be doing 2 triple crochets followed by chain 2 followed by another 2 triple crochets. To triple crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. With 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over and pull through the second 2, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And then you're gonna repeat that triple crochet into that same stitch. Then you're going to chain 2 and do 2 more triple crochets into that same stitch. Once you're done with the corner stitch, you're going to be doing 2 double crochets followed by 2 half double crochets. So this is what the pattern looks like. Now you're gonna repeat the whole thing all around so that by the end you should have 4 corners and a total of 68 stitches. Once you reach the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet to close it. For round 6, you're going to start by chaining 2. And then you're going to do a double crochet into that same stitch. You're going to be double crocheting all around until you reach a chain 2 space from the previous round. Once you reach a chain 2 space from the previous round, you're going to start by doing 2 double crochets into that chain 2 space. Then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do 2 more 2 double crochets into that chain 2 space. And then you're going to repeat that all around so that by the end you should have a total of 84 stitches. Once you're done, you're going to finish off, and here I also use the invisible stitch method just to make sure I have a clean finish at the edges of the square as well. And this is what our final square looks like. So this is the circle to granny square. Now if you want to add additional rounds to the square, you would simply repeat round 6. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!